Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Are you running out of tokens too fast in Claude? You're probably using it wrong and wasting credits without even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to save tokens in Claude so you can get more output for less usage. So don't keep repeating the same instructions again and again. Instead, give clear and complete context in one message. Claude works better when everything is included upfront. And instead of asking for long explanations, tell Claude exactly what you want. For example, give me bullet points only, keep it under 10 lines. This saves a huge amount of tokens compared to long paragraphs. A big mistake is chatting step by step, so instead combine your request into one clear prompt so Claude doesn't waste tokens, rewriting or re-explaining things multiple times. And don't ask for overly detailed answers if you don't need them. If you only need ideas or summaries, say it clearly. This reduces token usage a lot. And that's how you save tokens in Claude AI by being clear, structured, and avoiding unnecessary long conversations. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.